In my previous van video, I gave you a tour of the van with the seats in it. Go take a look at that video first if you want to see how it was the day I bought it. The link is in the description. In this video, I'm going to take the seats out and show you my new Apple CarPlay stereo system I had installed. You guys, I'm so happy. The back seat is completely removable. I just pulled a couple things and it popped right out. I'll show you. I was reading the directions actually, because it's a rock and roll sofa. So it tells you how to put it down, obviously, like I showed you guys before. But then I read number 7: to remove sofa, pull each front floor latch rearward and lift sofa from floor pins, which I did. And just basically pulled these up and I released it from there. All right, so we got it up. Yay! I just got to get it out. All right, we got it out. That's what it looks like without the back seat. These are going to be a little annoying because they do pop up the slightest bit, but hey, I'll work with it. There she is. I'll save that if I ever sell it down the road. So I got to figure out a place to put it in the garage. You guys, I'm in shock. These middle seats are so easy to take out too. Basically just like, it came with instructions on how to quick release it. Woo! But yeah, it came right out. I can't believe it. I just pulled this down, push that, flex steel, and it came right out like that. So easy. There we go. Now that seat's out too. Look at that. Let me show you over here. I'm so shocked. I took out both that seat and the bench seat in less than 10 minutes. Pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna get rid of this carpet too because it's just a nasty carpet there. I'll take that out in a second. There we go. Now there's 2 seats gone and that nasty rug is gone too. Yay. So I'm going to keep that bench seat in just so I have something to sit in. Oh, these also swivel. Let me show you. These also swivel. You just basically push this and she swivels. Ooh. Oh, that goes up to this goes there. Yeah, it swivels. Basically just push this one lever. You gotta do that, and then I can swivel that way, or keep swiveling and it swivels all the way. Push this back. Swivels all the way this way if I want it. Crazy, huh? I love it. Oh, maybe I'm supposed to go that way, huh? That would make more sense. It's much easier if I go that way, by the way. It's so exciting. So I can have it that way, back to back. Or if I want it like that. Just got a haircut. I'm so excited. I needed it bad. But I'm at my van. I'm just going to give you a little more of a tour because I took the seats out, as you know. And here's how she looks. A nice sunny day. There's my bed over there. I'll show you that in a minute. But this is what she looks like on a nice sunny day. Nice and clean. Got it detailed the other day. Wahoo! Got my new backup camera installed. It's pretty cool. It's way up there, so I got my new stereo installed too. I'll show you in a second if I haven't already. But I love the camera. It's way up there and backup camera so I don't hit anything. Nice, nice, nice. Got all the doors open. It's finally nice out. Do. Love my StarCraft. And there's the good old magazine rack, or map rack, if you will. Got the blinds on all the windows. I have them up now because it's nice out. They work on all the windows. And here's the inside. That chair is staying in, and it does rotate. And there's it at its next position. I did have them remove there was like a CD player back there, or over there, a CD player. I had them take that out because I got a new stereo. On my bed, I'm gonna put right here. And there's the seat at the back position. It can twirl any way you want. You better look at the cupboards up here. There was a TV here at one point. And we got a 300 watt inverter. And that one. This one has nothing in it. Doesn't go back that far. I'm probably gonna rip all that out, because there's plenty of storage back here. Wasted space, so I'll do that. And then this one in the back side, looking at the back again. This one has storage up here. Plenty of storage back there. And here's the bed I went with. I decided to go with a twin bed. It's gonna fit real nice right behind this chair. Between there and there is just long enough for a twin bed. So I went with this one, a gel memory foam, cooling comfort. 10-inch mattress. I'll have this linked in the description below if you're interested. Just bought it. So super thrilled. Got my bed. It's gonna fit right in there. And then for now I have left these. They're the braces for the seats that I took out. Eventually I probably will weld them off and make it totally flat, but for right now they do stick up a little bit. But I don't think I won't notice under the bed. I might stub my toe, so I gotta figure out something over there so I don't stub my toe on these ones. And this thing here, which is I don't know what it is, seatbelt holder or something from the chair that was here before. I bought these to kind of just put right over something like that, you know. Something like that. These are just bath mats from Ollie's. And then these here are just 2 pieces of random carpet. I just figured I'd maybe wipe my feet on those, put one there, and then one over there, something like that, coming in that door. Right now I'm in Erie, PA, looking into getting a new stereo, because right now I have just the regular stereo, and this is a 2002, so I definitely need to be upgraded. Just got an estimate to get my stereo system redone. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get Apple CarPlay and the whole touch screen and all that, because right now I just have this basic, the old school. It even has a tape player. But next week I should have a new radio. Yay! Alright guys, today is the day I'm getting my new stereo put in finally. This is the old one. Until now I've been using this thing I got at Walmart that like makes Bluetooth go through your speakers through a radio station. It's pretty cool. It's only like 30 bucks. It works okay. It's definitely staticky, but you basically tune it to a station that is not in service, like it's staticky, and then it'll play your music from your phone onto Bluetooth. Pretty cool. I'll leave a link to it below. So it has a USB port and a power delivery port. And also, one of the things I love about this van is that my cup holders hold my nail jeans. I've been using nail jeans for 20 years and never has a cup holder ever fit them, and this van does. It's amazing. It's meant for me. And I'm also getting rid of this stuff. This is the old CD changer. The CD's in the back. So there's like a CD player here, a tape player here, and then there's an 8 CD player in the back, I think. I don't know, I've never used it, but I'm having the guys remove this because I'm getting a whole fancy Apple CarPlay. They're installing a new Apple CarPlay stereo there. There'll be a touch screen and all that. They'll have Apple CarPlay and all the good stuff. They're also installing a backup camera, which I'm super excited about because this is a big long van. There's a little more close-up of it. And they're also installing 8 new speakers. Very excited. And here's my new stereo. Hi. Let me turn it on for you here. It's the Sony XAV AX5500. It's got Apple CarPlay. Let me fire it up for you. Definitely replaces that old cassette tape and CD player that was there. All right, so here she is fired up. This is without the Apple CarPlay. I'll plug that in a second so you can see, but if I just want to do regular Bluetooth without the phone plugged in, it looks like that. And you can go home and do radio and all that good stuff. But normally I have it plugged in, which I'll show you now. I just plugged it in, and then we're in CarPlay. Apple CarPlay, which is great, because I can make calls, listen to my music, do maps, messages, all that kind of stuff. Not every app works with CarPlay, but some random ones. Like, I almost never use those. I don't know why they showed up. But Spotify, music, Panera, and Domino's, I don't know why they showed up. But some apps work, some don't. It's not the calendar even. Oh, it's my dad's birthday. I got to call him. Ha! Let me see. Back. Yeah, I can go to maps. I can play music, all that good stuff. Yeah, super thrilled. And then this also has the backup camera shows up here as well. To get Apple CarPlay, I do have to have it plugged in. The phone has to be plugged in. There are models where you can have it unplugged, like not plugged in, but apparently it drains the battery significantly. So I opted for the plugged in because it charges it at the same time. And the link to this radio will be in the description if you're interested in getting yourself one. I love it. Loving it so far. I also had my speakers redone and all that good stuff. So I am thrilled. Very happy to have good music or good sound. That's very important to me. And I also want a navigation with because I happen to look at my phone when I'm looking for directions. And let me see if I can pull that up. All right, so I just put it in a random place so you can see what the map looks like.
Starting route to French Creek Tavern.
So you can
proceed to Target Drive, then turn right.
So this is Apple Maps, but you can also use Google Maps if you want to. And they also did new speakers for me, including they redid the facing on this. I'll show you a picture of how it looked before. Someone had cut out part of the speaker or something like that, so it was pretty rough. But they did this really nice facing, which is great. They painted it, hand painted it to match the car. It looks really good. Here's a better look at the speaker covers they gave me. And I got this done at Real Audio in Erie, Pennsylvania. Really hooked me up. And here's a look at it in the sunlight. So as far as speakers, I had those front two ones I just showed you. I had these two they go with the TV. I don't know if I'm gonna put one or not, but they put new ones in there. And I got another one here, 2, 3, 4. So 4 back here, 5, 6. And we got the ones down there, plus the ones up here. That's a speaker too. There and there. So I think there's a total of 10 speakers in this van. Sounds really good. When it's blasting, I'll do that for you someday. The thing I didn't show you is the engine, which is also in pretty great shape. Like I said, it's a 2002, and I think it's in pretty good shape. I have an appointment Monday to get all my fluids checked and filled and all that, oil change and whatnot. Yeah, but for being a 2002, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. And like I said, it drives so nice. Oh, absolutely love how it drives. So yeah, I'm excited.